Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off FaceTime vibration in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and scroll down and click on notifications, and then scroll down and also click on FaceTime. After clicking on FaceTime, you can see the option sounds. Click on sounds, and if you want to turn on or turn off your FaceTime vibration, then simply click on haptics and scroll down, and here you can see the option none. If you select none, your FaceTime vibration will be turned off. And if you want to turn on your vibration, then simply you can select any one option. So this is the way to turn on or turn off FaceTime vibration notification in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.